In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sticky note in PowerPoint. This is a simple yet effective way to make your presentations more engaging, visually dynamic, and to perhaps even add a touch of your personal flair. So, let's get started by opening your PowerPoint slide. With your presentation open, let's head over to the Insert tab at the top of your screen. Once there, go ahead and click on the Shapes option. You'll be presented with a variety of shapes to choose from here. For our sticky note, you'll want to select the rectangle with rounded corners shape. If you're feeling a bit adventurous or minimalist, a regular square can also do the trick. Draw this shape right onto your slide, and as you do so, imagine it looking just like one of those little sticky notes you'd place around your workspace. With the shape now on your slide, our next step is to enhance its appearance. Click on the shape to select it, and then move over to the Shape Format tab. Here you'll find a series of options for customizing the look of your shape. Click on Shape Fill to open a palette of colors. For that authentic sticky note vibe, you might want to opt for a classic yellow, or perhaps a calming light blue, or even a gentle pastel green. While you've entered the shape format options, consider clicking on Shape Outline and selecting No Outline. This step is optional, but it can really provide a cleaner, more streamlined look. To add a bit more dimension to the sticky note, navigate to Shape Effects, choose Shadow, and pick a Drop Shadow effect. This small tweak gives your note a slightly lifted appearance, capturing that real sticky note feel. Alright, now with your shape looking just right, it's time to add some content. Right click on the shape and select Edit Text. Now is your chance to type whatever message or note you wish. Let's make it stand out a bit. How about we style the text next? Consider using a handwritten style font. Fonts like Sego Print, Comic Sans MS, or even Caveat if you have it, can make your note appear more authentic and personable. After selecting your font, take a moment to consider the size, alignment, and color of your text to ensure it complements the note's design. Remember, it's all about readability, so make sure it pops just the way you like it. Lastly, once you've perfected one sticky note, it's incredibly easy to multiply your creativity across additional slides. Simply use Ctrl+D to duplicate your sticky note and reposition it as needed on any of your presentation slides. There you have it. You've successfully created your very own customizable sticky notes in PowerPoint, turning ordinary slides into interactive canvases. Enjoy creating and sharing your newly sophisticated presentations.